Hello and welcome to a new video on our channel. As promised, we want to do something about our kick-in Golf and the color of it. Which color it's gonna be? Guess it. You will see in this video, because we're going to wrap the car for the first time in our life, in my life. So, see you in a second.
Hello. How do you feel about it so far?
Good. Good. How it's looking like?
Pretty good to me.
Pretty good to me as well. For the first time wrapping a car, one of the easiest parts, one of the most difficult, I guess. So there's a lot of corners, round stuff and all this. And now everybody can see what's going to happen, right? A two-face Mark II.
Yay.
Try to find this on YouTube. I couldn't. Try to find it on Google. I couldn't. So we're gonna do it. Two-face Mark Golf 2.
You know who made it.
Two o'clock. Are you tired already?
Of this? No, never.
You know who made it.
Guys, it's done. The fender is done finally in our nice green color. But telling you it's easy and telling you everything went smooth would be a lie. I can tell you. Oh, and yeah, here I'm not sure if you can see, but here I little bit overstretched the foil, obviously, and which is a problem, so we can see it. Yeah, at this point will come a sticker. To be honest, it was planned since beginning, and this one I think is very nice. You can see here, this what you can see over here, this is just a little bit of glue, nothing broken or damaged. So still we're missing this this cut which we have to do here. This we will make it. So far so good. A lot of work, I can tell you. It's really a lot of work, and I'm happy to have this green one now on, because the green foil seems to be a little bit different of the purple one. Somehow I think it's not so thick, I believe, but yeah, let's see how we go on the rest of the car. So yeah, enough of talking and back to the work.
Yeah, Justin Diamond, Alvin, let's go. Yeah. I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartiers, and the deserve it. Put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. Never gotta block these, she worth it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi, with a bad look like Sky Bree, ooh, right beside me. In the phantom off that body, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad look like like Sky ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that yeah. Shorty a dancer with her OnlyFans, got her bands up. She independent, got a land truck, don't need no man, but I'll man up for that. Ooh, put it on camera, she a freak, nothing I can't handle. When I'm pulling up in that phantom, I got a blue wetter than Niagara. I'm a dog, I'm with the leash. Ain't no one holding me back, I'm a beast. Showing them off, fucking my teeth. None of them with me in these streets. Ooh, Sky Bree hit me in my DMs. I've been trying to meet up and see ya. I can fly you out to Abu Dhabi with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree.
I think I didn't. Oh, you have to make it sensual. Okay.
No!
Okay, but anyways, there will come the middle stripe, so you won't see anything, but it's looking super nice. I love it. This should be the moment when you leave us a thumb up and you click on the subscribe button and stay with us.
Hello, sir. Do you have anything to say about your current situation?
No. Yes, someone sent me not enough from the green foil. There's definitely a meter missing, which brings me in a very difficult situation. This foil is a disaster. That's when you buy cheap. But we get it done. We get it done step by step. The color differences are everywhere. This green is terrible. I don't know why. But yeah, we'll do something about it.
Is it cheap? It's cheap. Is it good? It's cheap.
Exactly. Right, ladies and gentlemen, almost end of the video. I do not want to show you all the good stuff about the wrapping. I also want to show you what is not so good, at least in my case. Like I say, it's the first time I've ever done this, so let me show you the corners where I have to find the solution for this what I've done. My first mistake, which made me, oh my god, very angry. This happened when you are an absolute idiot like I am, and first of all you put the knifeless tape between the foils and not on each of the side. That's why you have like, yeah, I can't even explain. And the next absolute idiot action was this one here. So yeah, I have to find a solution for this. This is not too bad, I believe, I hope, because we are going to make the middle stripe all along here. Here on the back it did not happen, only here on the roof. Yeah, learning by doing, and I have a lot of it. So then it's this little corners, as you can see here. I believe I have to take this off once again, stretch this, heat it up, and try to get this straight. The same like this little one in here. I hope you can see it. Please focus. Yeah, now you can see. Yeah, then I'm not sure why it has happened like this. You can't see a lot of it, but if you turn around you can see all the shadows in here where the foil, without stretching, really honestly without stretching at this part, because this part here of the door is a straight part, it was pretty easy, but it lost somehow the color. Yeah, this is a disaster. I have to do something about it. And as you can see here, there are popping up these bubbles, and you can remove them. For some reason they're coming back very quick, very fast. The same, I have here another one, which also you can remove them even with the finger almost until the end, but they are coming back. For this I also have a solution. I will need my heat gun. Then we have some little corner like this one here, and this one, this bubble, which is not perfect, of course. Yeah, the rest you can see is looking quite good. Here I still have to cut out this holes all over the place. Here I started already, but still not finished, because this have to be glued up properly from the bottom side. But in general, I think this combination is super nice, and I really love the color. And for my first wrap, guys, what you think? Please tell me in the comments what you think about this. Here I have more not so nice corner. Hope you can see little bit of the luck is coming through, because yeah, I did not cut it properly, as you can see now, even better. Yeah, there are a lot of corners which I have to correct, and I will correct, and you will see each and every corner once again. I will show you in the next video, because it's way not finished. The same like the mirror caps from this side, it's looking okay, but once I open it you see the entire disaster. It's looking easy, it's really looking easy when you're watching all these videos, how they quickly making mirror caps, but yeah, when you're standing once and you try to do it by yourself, it's just not easy. But okay, I'm not crying around, I knew it before. What turned out really good, I think, is this one, which was chrome originally. Chrome on green is looking weird, I think, a little bit in this place. This one, I like it, to be honest. The same like I have on the back. So yeah, this one also turned out very good. I was afraid then I will not make it, but this one turned out very good. This chrome, I like it. This I've made in black, so it matches with this part, and only this and this will stay in chrome. I think this looks good. And yeah, we have our rabbits back, and as you can see, the bubble already is back. But okay, about the aluminiums, we have made them nice again, and yeah, I think it's enough of talking. I will get into some details. I will finish the bottom part of the car, which I still have to foil, And once this is done, I get through all the corners, and tomorrow, for you, in a few moments, I will show you how it looks like for this video. And yeah, enough of talking. So now you saw our first wrapping project with all the ups and downs, which I show you in a video. And yeah, in the next video we'll continue to make all the details and finish up our wrap. And there will be some, I will call it funny mods, which we will add to the Golf as well in the next video. So I hope you liked and enjoyed it, and see you in the next week.